Hello guys, I want to apologize because this next video was supposed to be released during Mother's Day this year. But a lot of viewers requested that I post the orange chicken video and the Coca-Cola video first. Okay, so here's the Humba video for Mother's Day and my Kuya Jake's birthday. Even though it is 3 months late, I hope you enjoy it. Hello guys, it's me, your girl Farian, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I'll be helping my sister Lotis cooking humba in celebration of Mother's Day and also for my Kuya Jake's birthday. Pero bago tayo magsimula magluto guys, ay bigyan muna natin si Kuya Jake ng regalo.
Jake, that gift is from Tito Gid. Wow, a smartwatch. That's nice.
Wow, Kuya Jake, that's nice.
Thank you, Tito Gil.
Later.
Hello guys, kasama ko ngayon si Ate Lotis dahil gusto niyang magluto ng paboritong ulam ni Kuya Jake na humba sa kanyang birthday. Para na namin at tawgasan ang mga ingredients. At ito ang mga ingredients na gagamitin. Sugar, magic sarap, asin, ahos, banana blossom, black beans, sibuyas, dahon ng laurel, whole black pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, oil, water, spring onion, pineapple, boiled egg, at karne.
A few moments later. One hour later.
Guys, ito na ang ating humbang baboy.
A few minutes later.
Happy birthday Kuya Jake. Make a wish. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Happy Mother's Day, Ate Lotes. And happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the world. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye.